Designed in Australia for Australia, the CC1206 is a 100% automatic 12-volt, 6-amp smart battery charger and maintainer with reconditioning mode. The CC1206 features an advanced 9-stage charging process designed to keep your battery in optimal condition. One of the many features of the CC1206 is the one-button selection key. Options include maintenance-free, AGM or gel types. After selecting your battery type, you can select either 1-amp, 3-amp or 6-amp charge rate options. This gives you the versatility to charge a wide range of battery types. The charger also features 3-volt activation, which allows you to charge heavily discharged or sulfated batteries. It also has a unique and patented rejuvenation feature, which uses high voltage equalizing and peak pulsing reconditioning to automatically repair a sulfated battery. The CC1206 has many built-in safety features, including reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection and internal overheat protection, and comes with interchangeable ring eyelets and battery terminal clip leads for flexibility of battery post connection and mounting position. Before you begin, make sure you have adequate protection equipment on. Gloves and eyewear should be worn because of corrosive elements involved with lead-acid batteries. Check the ignition is fully switched off before you charge a battery still connected to a vehicle. If you intend to charge the battery out of the vehicle, ensure the battery is in a safe and stable location with adequate ventilation. Plug the battery charger into your 240-volt power source, making sure the power is also off. Connect the red battery lead clip to the positive terminal first and the black lead battery clip to the negative terminal second. Now you can turn the 240-volt AC power source on. Once the battery has full charge, simply turn the 240-volt AC power source off. Disconnect the black negative lead first, then the red positive lead second. The CC1206 also has a built-in Eco mode, which provides an ultra-low power consumption when the charger is on but not connected to the battery or when in maintenance mode. This and more makes the CC1206 a great addition to your garage.